Hey guys, I'm showing you this multi-tool little gift set for a dad or any male person, or it can be used by any females, not like male specific, but it's a tool, so you can use it like the way you want. And this is like a keychain thing. You can put this key ring, and there are multiple tools like the hex tool and just a screwdriver or something else. So it's really nice metal with all these different types of hex, the screwdriver, and the attachment, so that is easy for use and handy. So it's really a nice tool for a gift set, and you can give it to someone you like or who is interested in tools and want to make it handy. Just showing like the second set, as it's like the same and you can use the way you want. So it's pretty much very handy and very useful tool set.